3028. This is a showing of the input isolation circuitry and the interrupt generator block. I have relocated the dip switches used to simulate sensor inputs from the input subsystem board and onto the isolation board. These switches operate as described in 3024, with the exception that the interrupt relay coils, instead of being driven by the outputs from the isolation relays, are wired in parallel with the isolation relays coils. The original plan was to increase delay time between setup of data on the shift register's inputs and triggering of the interrupt. In practice, however, the back sent from the interrupt relay's coils blew out the shift register, short-circuiting the power supply. For the time being, the pulse reversing relay is providing reasonable delay for test to continue. A precision delay is planned. Out.